Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of Encyclopedia Invertebrata. So this will be the second part of the Encyclopedia Invertebrata series where I'll be talking about all about invertebrates. So in this next part we'll be talking about octopuses first. So there are three types of octopuses you can see on this slide: common octopus, mimic octopus, and coconut octopus. So the common octopus, also known as Octopus vulgaris, is an octopus that is commonly kept as a pet and is smart enough to escape its tank and eat all the fish in an aquarium. So, interesting thing about the common octopus is that if you seal like a food, like a mussel inside of a jar, like a screw-on jar, the common octopus can use its tentacles and suckers to open that jar and get the food, which is very interesting. Something else that a common octopus can do is it can like, climb out of the aquarium and it'll survive because it'll cover itself in a small water layer, and it will go to other tanks and actually eat the fish there. Then come back to its tank and the owner will know nothing happened, only that the fish are missing. So the next octopus I'll be talking about is the mimic octopus, also known as Thomoctopus mimicus. It's an octopus that can mimic 17 different sea creatures, from sea snakes to starfish, and it is a master of disguise. So a mimic octopus mimics all these creatures for protection. Like no predator like of the mimic octopus would ever eat a sea snake because it's very venomous. So how it mimics so many animals, it uses tentacles as a large part. So what the mimic octopus does is it digs into the sand and then waves its tentacles to start mimicking different animals. Like to mimic a sea snake, it digs into the sand, waves its tentacles to start looking at a sea snake. And since the patterns on the mimic octopus are look similar to most like deadly creatures like sea snakes, most predators will believe it and will completely avoid the mimic octopus. So the next octopus is the coconut octopus, also known as Amphiooctopus marginatus. It is called coconut octopus because it hides in fallen coconuts for defense, and it is also very strong and powerful. So what coconut octopuses do is that they wait for coconuts to fall down from trees into the water. Then what they do is they use their strong tentacles to and like different like hard objects to break open that coconut so that they can hide their soft body parts inside of it. So a coconut basically is like the home for the octopus, and no predator will attack it because it'll just like retreat back from the coconut every time it feels threatened.